Good afternoon, welcome back. It's been a while since I've been on the old YouTube. I've just been out there enjoying my cars. Had the Ferrari at a lot of bloody little meets lately and everyone's been loving it. It's sitting out here in all its glory in the sun. VL next to it that I've just finished up wiring an engine loom. That way it can go back to garage works. But yeah, really just been taking the chance, enjoying the car. Today, absolutely melting. It's cooking. I'm trying to hide over here in the shade, even though once I explain what happened, I'm gonna have to get out in the sun. I don't know if I've got a clip from when it happened, but I can definitely show you now. If I do, I'll chuck them in. Might even have a couple of clips from DriftFest, so I'll chuck them in now because I had the car there the whole time. It was good. Got to meet a few of the international drivers, talk to them. Good morning and welcome to Calder Park. Day one of DriftFest, kind of day two for me. We spent all day down here yesterday just doing media day, but just brought the Ferrari back down, parked her up in the show and shine. I'm gonna go find the boys, give them a hand, because hey, that's what we're really here for. Bit of a pit crew today. But yeah, we've got the Fez parked out in the middle, parked at the front, get a bit of attention where Dan wanted me. Got this little convertible come from my house yesterday as well. But we had a bit of a whoopsie yesterday. Actually crashed the Ferrari on the way here. If you can see, just down there, the sill. Basically, I messed up pretty fucking bad. I cut a corner, went over a median, and just smashed the side of it. I'll put a picture up now what I hit. It's just a silly mistake, and that was purely because left-hand drive and I just got a little bit disorientated. It was close to my house, but the new parts ordered, new sill covers ordered. I'll get this one fixed up as well because it could happen again. But yeah, it's not the end of the world. I was fucking devastated yesterday when it happened, because if you look down there, it's all just fiberglass. I don't want to go ratting around with it too much, but yeah, just that piece there comes off. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but yeah, I was pretty annoyed, especially when I didn't know how much it would cost. But hey, it happens, eh? What is this?
Morning, mate.
Morning, mate.
There you go.
I don't know what I'm saying here. I've been put on the spot by Stefan, but I'm helping to keep it read, boys. At the moment, we've got Tully and Hurt here fixing the car. Hurt?
Elijah, sorry, Elijah.
You called you Hurt. You called you Hurt. So close though, isn't it? No, the boys broke a turbo. You might have to do the old scroll down to get there.
Oh, yeah. No, good change.
See it having a little dancing dance. I got nothing to say, I've just been put on the spot here, eh?
We're going to take care of the car you did.
So this is the GK Check 400Z. I'm here with Cliff.
Hello.
Yeah, it's a car I spent a little bit of love on. Like, probably got 3-4 days in this car.
You do?
Yeah,
for sure. Plus last night.
Yeah, plus last night, helping them fix the bloody steering issue. But it turned out bloody amazing. Look at that. It's bloody sick. The pink sticker's on the door for the name ruined it a little bit. But there I am.
Wally!
I'm not going to open the bonnet. There's a bit much going on here. But yeah, there's a bit going on. A bit going on everywhere.
You're going to open the bonnet later.
Open the bonnet later. I'll show you the work. It's just an LS3, so it's nothing too special. 2? I thought it was a 6.2. It's a 6 litre.
2 with a cam.
2 with a cam. I'm wrong. But woo! Boys are getting all ready here. Catch can issues, turbo going on. Bit of everything. But we'll see how much we film today. One each, man. We're fucking sorted.
Thank you, man.
That's alright, bro. So, official day 2 of DriftFest. Everyone's just starting to arrive, get set up. It's a little bit colder. We've moved out into over by the trade stands here. Got Keep It Reach there. Spotto. Not really sure who Spotto is. Raceworks, Sleeker Spears, Racer Industry sitting up. Faulkner, Ben sitting up over there, bloody concentrating. Icky Garage, Putloon, Drift Academy, Garage Apex with a old Testarossa. Kind of seeing it in person realizes I'm so much happier that I got a 348. I'm not quite sure who's down there. Nice old, I think it's a Crown. I say old, but it's not that old. But yeah, they're a big girl, the Testarossa. So this is a flat 12 boxer engine. Meister's on it, probably not my pick. Cage, looks like a fire suppression system. Like, don't get me wrong, cool car, but just a bit big and bulbous for me, to be honest. GDR next to it, it's nearly the same size. It's just the big old school race car style flares. But yeah, we'll go help the boys out a bit. It's raining a bit today as well. It's a little bit miserable, but you do what you have to, eh? Make hay when the sun shines and when it rains, I can enjoy it. But we'll get into it today and have some fun. And on the drive there, on the very first day on the Friday, had a bit of a whoopsie. See the side skirt there, the sill cover? She's got a lot of damage. Basically board slid a curb. One of the medians in the centre of the road, I just cut it a little bit bloody shy. Left-hand drive, it was going to get me sooner or later, and yeah, it did. Basically it just didn't go wide enough and just knocked the centre. But I was a bit of a panic when I realised what had actually happened. Oh, Ferrari, everything's going to be so bloody expensive there. Jumped online to see how I actually take the panel off to get it replaced or repair it. And what do I know? $300 delivered for a replacement, and I just had to get it painted. So my friend Corey has painted that up and it is good to go on. So I've already undone the screws along the bottom. I've undone them. I'm going to attempt to take the top cover off and basically swap this out and get it on there. It looks easy as. In this heat maybe it won't be. The biggest challenge I think I'm going to have here is we've got this carbon fibre cover which I'm going to have to pull off. So I think if I get the heat gun on there, it should be okay. I can see one screw hiding up at the front. But yeah, once that comes off, I should be able to just pull the sill cover off, make sure I've got all the screws out from underneath. Wish me luck. Normally I'd chuck a bit of heat under this bastard, but it is such a hot day. I've just got the old trim removal tool, and I am hoping this is only double-sided taped on, and that is what it feels like, because it's lifting off 5 seconds in, and I feel like I'm onto a winner. Yeah, fight that for a few seconds, grab a screwdriver under that front one. I am melting. I got no concentration here. This is bloody shocking. Oh, wow. Shit, that was actually really easy. It's off. Bit of carbon fibre there. And actually real carbon fibre looking at the bottom of that. I mean, Ferrari, you'd hope so, but far out. I think someone's had to put that on at some point. I don't think it's factory. I don't know what covers their factory. But a few screws pop out. Now let's see how badly damaged this one is once I get it off. See it next to the other bugger. The moment of truth now. All the screws are undone. Let's hope this just pops off. I mean, if it hits the ground, doesn't matter, it's already damaged. Oh, she's coming off. Oh, here it is. Wow, that's bloody crazy, that sill. It curls right in there. I did not expect that. That's pretty bloody awesome. Alright, let's see how buggered this one is. Into the shadows. Let the camera adjust. Oh yeah, I did a number on that. See there, just walloped it on the ground. I think it's even missing a corner piece there, but that could have been missing for a while ago. Oh, just wrecked it, nearly cracked the corner out. Oh wow, It's actually been repaired once before. I don't feel so bad now. I mean, far out, it's already done. Bit of volume plus sort of treatment there, foam tape on the back. Matches up with the one I removed. Just, there's a lot rougher. So we'll chuck this bugger back on there. Make it look like it's a complete car again. Because by Christ, that's ugly. It's missing a huge chunk. So glad this is a simple fix. Then we can jump back into the Skyline. Oh, pardon me. Lunch is coming back up. Yeah, jump back into the Skyline, start getting that ready for its first track day soon. Shit. That was easy but hard. I'm absolutely dripping now. The rain's kind of tempting me. It started to drip while I was out here. Might have just been from me. But she is on. Looks complete again. That carbon bloody strip, what a bastard. I ended up using my full roll of tape to put that on. So I put it down and it wouldn't quite sit right. Pull it back up. Ended up getting it right. I basically screwed myself a bit because I should have mocked it up before I put tape on it. I would have found out where the issues were. So I ground off a little corner, it got it to sit better. Third time lucky. Yes, 3 bloody times. The hardest bit of the job, not putting the sill cover on, the bit that got painted, just the bloody carbon fibre on top. But I am happy. It's back to how it was. So one of those ones where I've achieved nothing, but the car's back to being complete again. So that is nice, because yeah, it absolutely destroyed me knowing I'd done that to that. So now I've just got a bit of a shelf piece. If anyone needs one, hit me up. I don't know what I'm going to do with this now. She's a little bit broken. See there, that bloody board slide. Oh well. Shit happens, I guess. Shit happens indeed. Disappointing. Strong though. She's definitely strong. But that's the joy of having a left-hand drive car, I guess. It's going to take all those corners a little bit wider. It's bad enough driving along the road being on the wrong side. Like, if there's a slow car in front of you, you're going along like you normally just pop out a little bit just to see, all right, I can pass. You can't. You can't just pop out a little bit. You've got to go right over onto the other side of the road or get right onto the bloody shoulder of the road to try and look ahead that way. It's a nightmare. Basically, don't get stuck behind someone slow because you're going to have to just sit there until someone passes behind you. Oh well. I'm melting. Just a quick little video update on the Ferrari. It is looking bloody good out here though. I love this car. The only car I've had in a long time that I don't plan on getting rid of. Because goddamn, look at that thing. Isn't it bloody beautiful? The amount of attention this car gets everywhere I take is crazy. God damn. I can see why. I mean, who's driving one of these around? Surely I'm putting the most Ks on a bloody Ferrari around Melbourne at the moment. I drive this whenever I can. But yeah, that's it for this one. Next video, we'll get back into the Skyline, waiting on a couple of little parts, and then hopefully we'll be taking it for a tune, or at least a road test.